Welcome everyone to this beautiful new stream on my channel. And we apparently got 2 likes already. Thank you so much for making this happen. I really appreciate it. And I guess let's go ahead and get straight into what we want to do. Have a can of Coke and crisps. Oh, Coke. Oh, please. No. Coke is so unhealthy. So then, I've now switched the stream into this ultra low latency thing, where it's supposed to be like real-time interaction should be possible. So let's hope that works. And let's hope Explorer doesn't open on my main window, which is good. So let's have a look at how Liftsnetwork now looks, because we've done some work on it. Hello tech stuff, thank you so much for being here, I really appreciate it. So then, let's go ahead and go on to index. Should still be the same as you know it. See, beautiful. And we got this cover, which now looks like, oh, we still need to fix that one. We still need to put this icon up here. And there's this as well, where the map will go. We already got 5 viewers, that's beautiful. Thank you so much everyone for being here, I really appreciate it. Hello Leon Theo, thank you much for being here, I really appreciate it. Search is not implemented yet, help is not implemented yet. My lifts, I don't know why this happens. I don't know how to fix it. I got no idea why this does it, because it doesn't do it for account.html, where the exact same thing is used and the exact same CSS style sheet is used. Hello, the experiment and elevator show. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. We got 8 viewers. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I really appreciate it. My goodness me, I'm talking like crazy. Thank you, Ryan, for being here. I really appreciate it. Right, I guess I gotta calm down a little bit. So, this is, you know, this is the exact same thing, and I just don't know why it doesn't work for gallery. See, it's doing something weird, and I can't press anything on accounts page. I don't know why that is. Oh, now I can. What? No, where's that gone? The account page does some weird shit with the CSS. I guess you gotta, yeah, no, you gotta use the new accounts page, because I have deleted a class and I have implemented a new one, because the old class wouldn't work. Yeah, no, we lost so many viewers. We lost 4 viewers. I guess you gotta just go ahead and run everything from the new folder I gave you. Don't use anything old. Just your PHP, but like quite some things have changed. Who's from Germany? I'm from Germany, obviously. I changed like 200 lines in it. Oh my goodness. I didn't know, because there was this issue where you couldn't scroll, and this was just extremely nasty. You can't scroll on this page, but then this box is used by different things. And for example, this box was used by 5 different things, and with the scrolling enabled, you need to, of course, be able to get something else. Account. Where was that other page gone? Home, discover. No, where were those other things gone? My lifts. Yeah, it's my lift that doesn't work. I just got no idea what's going on. Let's go ahead and start up Dixord. You know, I just don't know, because it's the exact same object. I don't know why it does it with that one and not with the other one. I got no idea. Also, it's absolutely not really that good for any other screen resolution. So you need to have 16:9 screen resolutions, otherwise it will go like this. It will simply break the entire thing. You know, you can't do that. So, or the account as well. Just look at how nasty it starts to look. Yeah, I know. I'm not here for doing mobile versions of it. Account.html. Just look at it, breaks everything. Just So I don't know how to do it. I would need like percentages, but that's, I guess, something for another day. I can't be asked to do it. Why do I keep losing so many viewers? That is absolutely horrible. Let's look right here. I don't see what's wrong with this login. Maybe the box is a little bit lower than it should be, but there was no option for me to test it because I don't have the PHP, and so I didn't realize that is. But it's not a major issue, I guess. The worst thing is that it does that when it's smaller, or when we press 12, right? Let's go for pixel. But that is definitely also not responsive. Just look at this. Can you see what it's like on iPhone? Probably, yes. iPhone X, there we go. That's what it would be on an iPhone X. And just not beautiful, and it's actually supposed to be it's actually supposed to be like for when you visit a city, so you can watch, and that is definitely not the way it's supposed to be. I got no idea how to do it. I just know how to do it, like for one set screen size, but I have not the slightest idea how to do it. Probably the easiest thing to do would be making it scroll to the like, have it scroll horizontally. So that it just stays the same, stays one static thing, and then you can scroll it to the left and to the right, maybe something like that. But I can maybe it's going to be an app at one point, but we first want to have it established. My time would definitely be covered by the Liftsnetwork logo. What? So we got to figure that one out. I got no idea why this happens. I don't know how to fix it. I've spent like 2 hours on it. I didn't work it out. And I got Bootstrap, which is beautiful. But it's probably too late right now to start with Bootstrap, because we've now done everything without Bootstrap, and now using Bootstrap would mess up Leon Theo's entire configuration. Yeah, no, I know W3 schools, but I've used it a lot, but I still don't have a required time to do everything with like percentages and have it like shrink down as soon as your screen size shrinks down, and that is just horrible. So probably this is what I'll go for with an admin panel. because that was very responsive. That is beautifully responsive. And I would also love to make Liftsnetwork with that, but be right back, have a pizza. But it would definitely be just doing all over again and having my work done for nothing. So I guess I'm not going to go for Bootstrap at this stage. Maybe if Liftsnetwork shooting off a starting and like becomes like a #1 source for Liftimus, then maybe it's going to be redone at some point, but definitely not right now. We first also need ad revenue and all of our crap, and this will first happen in March of next year, because I have my birthday in February, and I need to be 18 in order to start the business, and then I need an office somewhere or an address, and the first one of course would be better. I need an address somewhere because laws in Germany are shit, and they require you to have an address if you earn money on the internet, to have like an address to put on your website. And I definitely don't want this to be my home address, so I need to rent an office somewhere, and it's going to be a hassle, let me tell you that. So let's go ahead and close Bootstrap because we won't use it at the moment. No, the imprint Postfach does not work for imprint, because imprint needs a ladungsfähige Adresse, and Postfach is not ladungsfähig. What did I just want to look for? I got no idea. I absolutely forgot it. I'm so terrible. I wanted to look for brackets. There we go, brackets. And it's loading. My computer's getting slow, probably because of the live stream. I've never had this before. Where's my project's gone? Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Let's get rid of debug log. We don't need that one. Delete. Yes. So which ones do we have? We got that one, which is don't even know how this was named. What GF is texting you? One moment. Right. What is it? What is the flex about this? I mean, as long as you're not flexing with your AirPods, which are technically a lithium battery, which might explode directly in your head, I have nothing against it really. So this is one target blank. That one is gallery. What? No, where's the entire gallery? Oh, it's 3 galleries. And we should also use gallery for the. I mean, Apple entirely is absolutely crap, because why would you need an adapter if they simply could? Technically, it's nothing hard to put a jack on your phone, and they decided to make it a feature to just use with an adapter. And if your phone runs out of battery and you don't use wireless charging or wireless headphones, you can't use both at the same time. It's the most stupid thing Apple has ever done, in my opinion. That's just like the #1 reason for me right now to not buy an iPhone. 7 gallery. Let's see what we could do about that one. IMG counter. Oh, I guess it's counter that's going on, or is it? I mean, the entire thing does not happen with a count. Let's watch a count. .html. I mean, if you're using something like I am, like a good old biodynamic headphone, does biodynamic even have wireless headphones? As blind text. I've got no idea. Why should I put lorem ipsum? Do they even use? Do they even have a Bluetooth headphones? Maybe on the go. Maybe it's something of that category. Oh, they actually got Bluetooth. Because the intruder everywhere. I guess you got to cope with it, young Theo. So apparently they do actually do that one, but definitely does not work with mine, with my headphones I just got. So that's not. I'll always go for a phone that has a proper jack. Wait, where's mine? I don't see my headphones on here. Where are they gone? Oh, there we go. There we go. These are the ones I have on my head right now. And let me tell you one thing, that sound is on point. Right. And of course 100% made in Germany, which is epic, which is the nicest thing about those. And then you can replace like every single part. That's the second best thing about them. Yeah, 770s on those and those are the closed ones. I guess these are the closed ones, are they? Oh yeah, these are the closed ones. But I decided to have that I need open ones, because otherwise I don't hear anyone. And I don't want this to happen. 7! Is it a limiter or something around this place somewhere? I don't know. Let's watch in... let's watch... it's not map, it's account. And account is right here, but I wanted to show you something else, which is CMS.html, which is not completely done. But CMS.html, which is basically the page you'll reach when you are when you're viewing a lift. Buys open headphones has a bell for its live. What? No, the bell's the other way around. It's not actually a bell. It's a light. It's a light in my room, and if they want me to come up, or if they want to talk to me, or something like that, or if someone is on the phone for me. When they press the switch up in the living room, then the hello 345 AFG. Thank you so much for being here. And they press a button in the living room or on the second floor, and then the light flashes, so I know someone wants to talk to me. That's the entire thing about it. Has Rhoda next? I do have a phone. But. I mean, they don't always know how to how to transfer the call onto another phone. They know there's a function out there to do this, but most of the time they just say, "Oh, come on, I forgot how to do it. Come on and pick up and get and talk to your grandma." That is the issue, basically. Or if like dinner is ready or something, and they don't want to shout across the entire house for me to hear them. I can simply press a switch, and I know dinner's ready. And that is a beautiful feature. Right, and I'm also not sure if everyone has already seen this beautiful emergency exit sign above my door right now. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go ahead on my Instagram and watch see my Instagram at Vorzugsfahrt. They will see my new kind of exit sign I got from my school. It's a fluorescent exit sign with a little fluorescent bulb in it. Vorzugsfahrt, of course. It's the best name. And I also got Tschüss CBS on Instagram. And I also got Rückdrucksflug, which is the absolute opposite of Vorzugsfahrt. Right, so what do we want to do? Okay, let's check for account. Account.html. So we got lifts I can contribute to. Then we got class overview. And overview is... don't know what overview is. Overview is a gallery. So if we now go into... Thank you so much. Thank you so much, 345 AFG. I really appreciate it. Right, let's carry on with... I always forget what I want to do. Probably all the Mercury. I'm such a forgetting person. That is terrible. I just can't get over how forgetting I am. So that was under my lifts. Right, my lifts was broken. Yes, my lifts was broken. Finally, I got it. The verified is now. Oh, that is beautiful. So let's go into my lifts and see. I guess I see it. When you see it, you'll shit bricks. Now if we go back to account, it's overview. So let me just see if I now change this to gallery. Reload the entire thing. We should also face the same issue. I got it! 345H AFG. What kind of lifts? What kind of lift do you have? I would love to know. Or what make your lift is. I can't believe I actually spent an hour on this one. Schindler's. Oh, that's interesting. Is that a dumb waiter? We got 10 viewers. Boom! I accomplished my goal of today. That boom was the most stupid one I've ever had. I don't even have any of my stream. Nope, it's not the end of the stream, but I do have my stream assets somewhere. I don't know where they are. Liftsnetwork login, and let's go to my lifts and now change those to overview and see if it works. Come on. My lifts, change this to overview. Change this to overview. Now let's see. I can get into the motor room. Okay. So that works, which is beautiful. And now we want to fix the rest of it. And we got 10 views again, which is beautiful. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much to every single one of you for being here. I really, 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 really appreciate it. Every motor room has the same key by law. Never heard of that before. Overview. Change that to overview as well. Change this one to overview as well. Is that state law in Bremen? No, I won't do the back end. Leon Theo does the back end in the background, because I'm terrible at back end and I'm terrible at front end, but I guess I'm a little bit better at front end. Beautiful. So now we gotta nudge that one a bit to the top, and also move those ones to the top. So I guess let's copy the style for overview. So let's change overview to overview my, overview my, and overview my, and overview my, and overview my. Save it, run skyscraper sim, and see yard building. Overview. Let's copy all of those. And now I'm probably that was a terrible idea. Should have done it at the very bottom, because now I completely lost track of all of that. Imagine ATM software would be open source. Is there actually a project out there? Open source ATM software. Might be worth a try. Where did I start again? With overview. So that changes to overview my. Overview my, and overview my. That one overview my as well. Let's just quickly do this like that. And overview my. I thought they used Windows Embedded, or is that just me? Beautiful. Let's move those a bit up and find out the phone number. I guess when you press the button, if you press the button, it does it, and if it does a dialing tone, you can look up a dialing tone. You know, so like and you, by listening to those sounds, you can tell what the number is, because every sound is a number, or is one digit of a number. What font do you use on the global index? I guess it's Gilson's. I can't scroll, I'm stupid. I still can't scroll because I'm stupid, and let's look at this margin top. Let's go for 5 pixels. Boom. Still a bit too much. Let's do minus 5 pixels. Let's do minus 35 pixels. Do you know what Ben has? Yeah, kind of. Well, Ben has put them on private. I'm not even sure if he put it on private or if he just put them on listed or if he actually deleted those. I got no idea what he actually did. But what I got from it is that it kind of is probably problematic with a law. I'm not sure. And all the time I'm talking now, I keep fidgeting with his old fluorescent tube, with his old fluorescent bulb. And I hope I don't drop this one, because then there will be even more mercury inside of my brain. Ugh, don't want this time. So let's just put this aside and take it to the recycling bank tomorrow. Right, now I want to move up recent changes. My lifts recent changes. Which is BG text. Let's look at BG text. BG text. Margin tab would be 5 pixels. That did not work. Minus 40 pixels. What? What did that just do? I got no idea. Let me just quickly watch a stream. Let's watch how the stream goes, so I can see what I actually did. So the my lifts thing kind of jumped, and the entire parent jumped, which is not supposed to jump. I'm not even using Windows XP. No, which how was that called again? MS Info. Windows 10 Pro. Oh, how about some fancy background music? Let me just put some fancy background music there. YouTube.com/CBSTV, which is my channel, of course. Also, thank you so much everyone for 3,100 subscribers. I can't believe it. I'll just do this music you hear on every like DIY tutorial. There we go. And right then, don't we all love this music? I know this Galleria Kaufhof with the outside glass generic lift. I actually thought it was a house horn. I'm actually quite sure it was a house horn. And I also wanted to ride with it and was very disappointed that it didn't work. I know that. I definitely know that one. Right. So we kind of want to undo those changes we just did here. 30 pixels. Better. It is long gone. Did they pull it out, or was it in Hamburg? But no, I'm convinced it was Bremen where this lift was. Oh yeah, so why would they? Why wouldn't they fix it? I mean, it would probably attract people. That is stupid of them. Right. Why would they cut those cables? That's the worst, absolute worst thing they could have done to that lift. Look, change the chance of it ever being fixed to 0. And it should have gone for less inside lift, or should have turned off. Should turn them off, or just like turn off 2 of them, and then have the outside lift in operation as like a little nice to have feature. So I don't get them. Sort by would be cell type. Cell type. What? We don't have cell type. Wait, where are we gone? No, that was class. Yeah. Selector. It's selector. Selector. Position. Relative. Let's see if it actually bricks the entire website. Kind of does, but we can fix it. And does it brick account? Nope. Does it brick the other account? Nope. Does it brick discover? Nope. Does it brick gallery? Nope. Does it brick? Nope. We should be all good. So go back to our my lifts and move this over here next to my lifts. And do you know the video of Ben surfing in Bremen? I'm not sure. Oh yes, of course. Of course, the car park lift. I've also filmed those. I also filmed those. Aren't those like shaver buttons? With those, don't they have those like little shaver buttons? I definitely remember filming those. I 100% remember filming those. And there was this crappy ass car park lift, which was like a Schmitten Zone or something. It wasn't anything special. It was just a really box stand lift in a Galeria Kaufhof. No, what? No, please, no, Leon, please. What kind of buttons do I have? Please don't tell me they are DMG. Then I'll immediately puke. Please. Almost all house sounds in Bremen just not bomb guard. I still need a Schmidt-Zone key. So what did I want to do? Of course I wanted to change the recent changes box. I'm not sure, the most common one. The most common Schmidt-Zone key for like priority. I don't need cabinet, I don't need motor room or anything like that. I just need priority. I have like 20 and randomly choose one. Oh, that is beautiful of them. That is just beautiful of them. I kind of don't believe it. So what shall we do? Let's do width. Let's do 50 pixels. Oh, how cute that is. Oh, that is beautiful. I definitely need the aufzug one. Hello, lifts in Australia. Thanks for being. I really appreciate it. Because there's so many moderators in this chat. Let's do 500 pixels. See how that goes. That looks better. That looks fair. Let's move this. Let's move the bugger up, and margin tab would be 1 pixel. Why does it keep moving the parent? That is stupid. I can order all of them. I don't think my keyring is big. But I don't think my keyring is big enough for all of those keys. How many are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I kind of guess it was just the EK one that I need. I guess it was just the EK one. I'm convinced it was just the EK one. Because there used to be those offers on eBay. I guess Sackfeld. I guess, but not today because I've now done everything as pixels and. Yes, 13443. That yes, 13443. Probably this is the one that I've found on eBay because I once looked up Vorzugsfahrt keys on eBay and I found Schmidt and Zorn, and then they took off the offer and I couldn't order a key. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm probably I guess I'm going to wait until I have my company. So I have to pay less for the key because I can absetzen this von der Steuer if it's a company asset. So right, what we wanted to do is we wanted to move this box a bit up, and I'll probably do this one day. Yeah, I know. You can only order it, but for me to pay you, I also want to absetzen this von der Steuer because then it's a company asset I need for my company, which would be filming YouTube videos with Vorzugsfahrt, and I will get cheaper that way, I guess. Don't tell me you're doing this unter der Hand. Right. What we want to do is now mine is 50 pixels. Let's just try that one. Still need to move it up a bit. Minus 150 pixels. Beautiful. Now, did you see the eBay app with a really long key list? No, I've not. Let me just quickly check out eBay. eBay.de. That's just lock picking things on Schlagschlüssel button. There's no lift keys out there. Can't find them. At least not at the moment. Oh, look at this big ass. Look at this big ass cute crucifix. Anyways, there we go. Yeah, I know. I guess it's floor. If you know, if it's the one that I mean. Right. I don't know why I took those off. Probably didn't want them to go too famous, those keys, which I kind of also don't want to happen. I don't want them to be too many, because then they'll eventually notice and start replacing our locks, which already happened after probably Kaufhof administration saw me doing Vorzugsfahrt with their key on in Cologne, and after the video they replaced the lock, so now the locks are replaced and I can no longer do Vorzugsfahrt, which is horrible because it's extremely overcrowded lift and you can never like get a normal ride on it. It's always like stopping at each and every stop, and Vorzugsfahrt was just absolutely mandatory for you to ride a lift and not take like 30 minutes for you to go from the basement up to the ground up to the top floor, and they sadly replaced the locks, which is annoying, very annoying. Let's go for gallery, and gallery is down here. Margin minus left. Minus 200 pixels. Nope. We don't want this to happen, and I don't know how to change this. This is extremely nasty, and I can't help myself. No, I can't help myself. No. Caught up in the rhythm of it. Dear, I completely trashed it, I guess. I might want to save it, actually. How do I move the motherfucker? I don't know. Maybe move it down a bit. Margin top. Let's go for 25. Oh. Let's go for 0 pixels. Might actually increase the margin again. 40 pixels to 40 pixels. No, let's 50 pixels. Well, no, let's just directly do 60 pixels. We lost so many viewers down, we just stuck with 3, which is nasty. Now move the entire thing to the left. What if we get rid of a float? Nope. This is not what we want to happen. Left 50 pixels. Five pixels. Doesn't change a thing. Margin left. I just pressed left, I didn't press bottom. Minus 5 px. No, why they're all coming together. Why are they coming together? I don't know. I don't get it. Why are they coming together? No. How do I fix this? How do I fix this one? I don't know. Save it and... margin apparently does something. Oh, because they're all individual ones. That is the issue. How do we change each individual one? How do we do this? I don't know. Maybe got to create a new div, which is down here. I guess I got to do a new div. Let's leave that margin in here, and now it looks nicer. Get a div around it and see if it now works like that. And we lost even more videos, which is beautiful. Thanks so much. There they went, my beautiful 9-10 viewers. Absolutely sad. So we got overview, and we got to put this into div class left s. Not just name it left. Get this part right here. Put it below. Now let's do dot lefts. I'll quickly see what it does. Nothing. Dot lefts. Wrong brackets. Margin left is minus 50 pixels. Let's see. It does nothing. Oh, come on. Minus 500. Hello. Why doesn't the motherfucking thing do anything? How am I going to fix it? I got no idea. Thank you so much, Mr. M, for being here. I really appreciate it. Let's see, margin right. Maybe that pushes it or something. Let's try that one. How am I going to move this over here? Maybe, but just maybe I should have done this before. I actually wanted to create an entirely new page today, and I'm now ending up fixing crap, which is now always almost taking an hour, which is appalling. I don't know. I have no idea how to do it. What if? Wait, where is add lift gone? Oh, I got no idea where add lift is gone. How about taking this part? No, that's not the part I need. That's the plus part. So everything should be right. Sort by is that what I thought would cause the problem. No problem, Mr. M. I don't know. I have no idea how to fix that. And let me just try. Can I somehow get this out of this window? Can I not open this in a separate window? There we go. Now, responsive? No. Right, let's quickly look at what we can do. Oh, come on, why can't I move this motherfucking object? So when I change the margin, it changes it for every single one and not of the entire group. How can I change this? I don't know. Lefts. Why isn't the margin changing? Please tell me, why is the margin not changing? It's just HTML object not moving when margin is changed. You know, I'm very desperate if I look for if I look up some stupid things like this. But how did I do this on the other one? How did I do it on account HTML? I mean, it also worked. I mean, it worked out for this one. Why doesn't it work for my other one? Maybe let's just change it to overview. Maybe this is the way it's supposed to work. Maybe. Nope. Not today. But let's move a div down. If you move down a div, margin top 50 pixels. Oh, come on, why doesn't the margin change anything anymore? Please, margin, change something, you stupid son of a bitch. It is lefts. Class lefts. Why doesn't it do it? Why? Someone please tell me. I don't know. There is no reason for it to do it like that. Let's show change it all back to overview. That one back to overview as well. Why are all of those back up there? Please, someone tell me. Well, no one can tell me because there's just 3 people in here, and now I'm getting really nasty at everyone. I'm sorry. Overview my. Let's try doing that again. You know, that is something that always so bugs me. If there's something so simple, and there should be a very simple way. Come on, YouTube, fuck off. I don't want to listen to some stupid error messages. If there's something, you know, that should be easy to fix, and I spend like an hour attempting to fix it without a result, when I get really angry at it, I just can't help it. At least those things are back down. Still don't know how I did this with that one. See there on the left, I just want to accomplish that exact same thing. But maybe, just maybe, the issue is something different. Maybe let's do margin. Let's just do margin. I have already done this, right? 500. No, we've already done this one. YouTube has told you to fuck up with your stupid warnings. I don't give a fuck. I'm sorry for all that cussing. I'm sorry. I just can't help it. Right. 500 pixels. Nothing, of course, happens because that's. I'm just getting so angry at this. Why doesn't it do anything? Why? There's something I cursed about this very object that it doesn't want to move that one. Top 5,000 pixels. Let's just do that one. See if the motherfucker decides to move. Now, of course it doesn't, because it's this stupid cunt. This div is a stupid cunt that doesn't want to move. So I guess we can just get rid of it entirely. And it doesn't change it. And of course it doesn't change it. You can go to the boss, use it as a first person. YouTube, I told you to fuck up with your stupid warning. Stop putting a warning into my face. Please stop. Please get rid of that stupid warning. I don't want to see it. I do not want to see it, YouTube. Listen to me. I don't want to see it. I know it is there and I can't change it. Please stop showing it to me. Dear, I'm getting so angry. First, I want to calm down. I'm starting to hyperventilate. 7. First start. Where is account? So account is this one, and it is in the entire class right there. And I just put it in a class, and it wouldn't work for mine. Why does my stream keep going up with one? YouTube, you know that is the last time if this warning comes up one more time, I'm ending the stream. It's just so pissing me off. Let me tell you that it is so pissing me off. Like every time I'm getting this chat page that I have open with all of your comments, with the analytics and all that stuff, it just keeps like getting black, and this box comes in front saying that my connection is bad, even though you can see my stream just fine. I just don't know why it's doing that. It says I have a good connection, and just every now and so often this ever comes up, and just have to click it away. So that's stupid. I don't know. I have no idea. What am I doing wrong? Let's try div class container. That is my last hope to try div class container. Motherfucking warning again. Container 2. I don't want to see this error. I just want to see the comments. I don't want to see this error. I don't give a fuck about this error. So please stop showing it to me. Why did this div work and not the other one? What is so special about this div that it wants to work and the other one did not? Wait, please don't tell me it's the position I forgot to do. Probably it's just the position. It was probably so obvious. Let me just try to just do lefts again. Let's just give lefts another try. Dot lefts. Position relative. Margin left equals minus 50 pixels. Doesn't look like it's doing anything. 500 pixels. What is wrong with that stupid left div? Please tell me what is wrong with this. Let's look for YouTube. Please stop showing me this warning. Is there any way to... it's so annoying, let me tell you that. Let's just copy those. No, let's copy the entire thing for this left thing. And then see what actually does it. Count page follower is now working. That's beautiful. Thank you so much for doing this. So that is working. We don't need a background color. Right. We don't need a border radius. Do we? Nope. Do we need height? Yes, we do need a height, but it's better like that. Do we need margin left? Do we need padding? We do not need padding, and actually it's better without. Oh, margin right is what is going on. Oh, that is very interesting. That's very interesting. YouTube, please show me this. I'm just about to break this fluorescent, and I don't want this to happen. How to turn off that stupid fucking YouTube live stream connection message. Oh, there's something on there, but that is something else. But people are getting desperate about this apparently. So we are stuck on 3 followers. No, not on 3 followers, but rather on 3 viewers. And I guess I'd rather give this stream another chance for tomorrow, so we can get some more people to. I apologize again for my cussing and all for my getting angry. I know. I still hope you had a nice stream. Make sure you have a beautiful rest of your evening, and the login page will be done. That's beautiful. And of course, the account page will be done. That's beautiful. Okay, so I guess I'll work on this right now for myself. And until then, I guess, see you.